upgrading your Austin home, one of the most effective and impactful improvements you can make is replacing your windows. Not only do replacement windows improve the curb appeal of your property, but they can also increase energy efficiency, enhance security, and provide better comfort throughout the year. However, choosing the right replacement windows can feel overwhelming with so many options available. To help you make an informed decision, here's a guide on what to consider when selecting replacement windows for your Austin home. Energy efficiency and insulation. Energy efficiency is one of the most important factors to consider when selecting replacement windows for your Austin home. The Texas climate can be extreme, with hot and humid summers and mild winters. Your windows play a significant role in regulating your home's temperature, and choosing energy-efficient windows can help you maintain comfort while saving on energy bills. Look for windows that are Energy Star rated, which means they meet the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's guidelines for energy efficiency. Modern energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E, glass, and argon or krypton gas fills between the panes to reduce heat transfer. These features prevent the hot outdoor air from entering your home in the summer and help retain indoor warmth in the winter, making it easier to regulate your home's temperature year-round. Window material. The material of your replacement windows will affect both their performance and aesthetics. There are several options to choose from, each with its own advantages. Vinyl windows. These are the most popular choice for homeowners due to their affordability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. Vinyl windows don't warp, crack, or peel, making them a durable option for Austin's climate. Wood windows. If you're looking for a more traditional and natural look, wood windows can provide a timeless aesthetic. They offer excellent insulation but require regular maintenance, such as painting or sealing, to prevent damage from moisture and pests. Fiberglass windows. Known for their durability and energy efficiency, fiberglass windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and swelling. They require minimal maintenance and can be a great option for homeowners looking for a long-lasting, high-performance window. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are strong and lightweight, they aren't as energy efficient as other materials, especially in extreme heat. However, they may be a good option for modern homes or for windows that are exposed to extreme weather conditions. Choosing the right material for your windows depends on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. Window style and functionality. The style of window you choose will impact both the look and functionality of your home. There are several window styles to consider, each offering different features. Double-hung windows. These classic windows feature two sashes that can be opened from the top or bottom. They are easy to clean and provide good ventilation, making them a popular choice for many homes. Casement windows. Hinged on the side, casement windows open outward like a door, providing excellent airflow and a tight ceiling when closed. They are particularly energy efficient and ideal for hard-to-reach areas. Sliding windows. These windows open horizontally, making them a great option for areas with limited space for windows that swing open. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that provide unobstructed views and allow plenty of natural light into your home. They are ideal for living rooms or rooms with scenic views but do not open for ventilation. Bay or bow windows. These windows protrude outward, creating a unique architectural feature and offering additional space and natural light inside your home. They can be ideal for areas where you want to maximize light and enjoy outdoor views. When choosing the style, consider how the window will be used. If ventilation is important, a casement or double-hung window may be the best option. If you want to maximize your home's natural light, a picture window or bay window may be a great choice. Security and safety feature. The security of your home should always be a top priority, and windows play a significant role in keeping your home safe. When selecting replacement windows, look for features that will improve both security and safety. Strong locks. Make sure the windows have durable locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locks, which offer enhanced security. Impact-resistant glass. In areas like Austin, where storms or extreme weather conditions can occur, impact-resistant glass provides extra protection against break-ins and weather damage. Child safety features. If you have young children, consider windows with child-safe features such as window stops or locking mechanisms to prevent accidental falls. Aesthetic appeal. Your windows are an essential part of your home's overall look, and the right style can enhance your home's curb appeal. Think about how the windows will complement the architectural style of your home and how they'll look from both the interior and exterior. If you're replacing multiple windows, consistency is key to maintaining a cohesive aesthetic throughout your home. Consider the color and finish of the window frames. While white and neutral tones are always popular, you can choose custom colors or finishes to complement your home's exterior. Additionally, if you live in a historic neighborhood, there may be guidelines for window styles, so check with local authorities before making your final decision. Budget and warranty. Window replacement can be a significant investment, so it's essential to find options that fit your budget. While vinyl windows are often the most affordable option, other materials like wood or fiberglass may come at a higher price. However, it's important to consider long-term savings, as energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce their utility bills over time. Make sure to inquire about warranties for the windows you choose, as these can offer protection against defects or damage for several years. A reputable window installer will stand by their word and offer a warranty that gives you peace of mind. Final thought. Choosing replacement windows for your Austin home is an important decision that affects both your home's functionality and aesthetics. By considering factors like energy efficiency, window material, style, security features, and budget, you can make an informed decision that will improve your home's comfort, value, and curb appeal for years to come. When in doubt, consider Consult with a professional window installer to help guide you through the process and ensure your windows are installed correctly and